Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the next topic, patterns. Okay, these things already you have learned in the previous classes. Patterns means following sequence, following orders, particular sequence. Okay. These things you have done in first standard, writing consecutive numbers, adding one or adding two numbers to each term, adding three numbers to each term, 10 number, adding 10 numbers to each term, sometimes 5, 20, 100, like that you have done in first standard, second standard, third standard. Okay. And you have in the previous videos already I explained you few tricks how to find out what they have done. Okay, pattern means what they have done. We are going to continue the same thing. Okay, what sequence they followed, we are going to follow the same sequence. Okay, we are going to follow the same sequence. So how to find out which sequence they followed? So for that few tricks already I told you, still I am just telling you to revise. Now see here, first thing we see that whether the numbers are increasing or the numbers are decreasing. If the numbers are increasing, then that can be addition or multiplication. The basic calculations are 4 calculation: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay, these are the basic calculation. So we are going to just find out which one. So just you see, if the numbers are increasing, that can be addition, otherwise multiplication. If the numbers are decreasing, that can be subtraction or division. Okay, so these things we are going to keep in our mind and find out which is the best way. See here, first the number is 8, 13. So I have taken the first two numbers. We are going to subtract because how much difference is there we want to find out. इसके बीच में कितना नंबर है ये पता लगाना है. तो इसके लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, दोनों को माइनस करना पड़ेगा. So first I am taking the first two numbers, 8, 13. 8, what is the difference? 8, 13 minus 8, 5. So that means they have added 5. Okay, then we have to confirm that, isn't it? That is the thing I explained you in the previous video. We have to confirm that same thing with the third number. Okay, third number you see 13 के बाद 18. So 13 plus 5, 18. That means with the first term they added 5. With the second term also they added 5. That means it is just addition. They are keep on adding 5 each. Isn't it so? So we are going to follow this sequence for this questions. They are asking us to write the next 3 terms. So first thing, let us write the rule. Okay, let us write the rule because here we understood they have added 5. So the rule is add 5 to each term to get the next term. Understood? The rule what we have done here is add 5 to each term to get the next term. Okay, हर नंबर के बाद हर एक नंबर के साथ इन लोग 5 प्लस किया है, तो 5 प्लस करके हमें अगला नंबर मिलेगा. दिस इज द रूल आई हैव रिटन हियर. ओके, सो नाउ 23 प्लस 5, व्हाट इज दैट? 28. 28 प्लस 5, what is that? 33. 33 plus 5. So what is that? 38. Have you got this? Understood? So let us go to the next one. 512. 256. Numbers are increasing or decreasing? Numbers are decreasing. यहाँ number कम होते जा रहा है. 512, that also with greater difference. Here 512 and 256, and then 128. So it should be subtraction, otherwise division. It should be subtraction, otherwise division. Okay. Now see here, subtraction, if you take this one, 512 minus 256 means the difference is 256. Then 256 minus 128, that means the difference is 128. That means the difference is the different numbers we are getting here. Okay, so it cannot be subtraction. ठीक है, यहाँ इन दोनों को माइनस करके जो आंसर मिल रहा है, इन दोनों को माइनस करके जो आंसर मिल रहा है, वो सब अलग अलग है. तो इसलिए ये सब्ट्रैक्शन नहीं हो सकता. सब्ट्रैक्शन है तो सबको माइनस करके एक ही नंबर आना चाहिए, है कि नहीं? तो इसलिए सब्ट्रैक्शन नहीं है. Then what could be the other one? What could be the other one? That should be division. Okay, so when we divide, by which number we divide, just we get half. Here 512, just we are dividing, it is 256. That means we have to divide by 2. Half चाहिए तो 2 से divide करना पड़ेगा. Then again if you are dividing, you are getting this. Again if you divide, you will get the next term. So what can be the rule? Divide each number by 2 to get the next term. So the rule is divide each term by 2 to get next term. To get the next term. Okay, now see here 128. So now 128 we are going to divide by 2. Okay, now when you divide, say the table of 2, 12, 6 2s are 12, then 8, 4, 64. At the side you can divide and write. Then again 32. Then again if you divide, how much you get? 16. Have you got that? Just little bit you have to think and do the work, that's all. Okay, see the next one, 11, 12, 14, 17. That means increasing. That means increasing. This can be addition or multiplication. So let us first see the difference. 12 minus 11 means 1. ठीक है, 12 से 11 को माइनस किया तो 1 मिला. 14 minus 12, 2. 17 minus 14, 3. That means here for these two the difference is 1. For these two the difference is 2. For these two the difference is 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Then what could be the next one? You can just think. The next one we can plus 4. The next we can plus 5. The next we can plus 6. That means they are adding consecutive numbers. They are adding consecutive numbers. Otherwise you can say continue numbers. They are just adding. Now what can be the rule? Add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth term respectively to get the next term. Okay, shall we write the rule first? Add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth respectively to get the next term. Have you got the rule? Now shall we write the number? 17, 17 plus 4. Here they added 1, here they added 2, here they added 3. Now we are going to add 4. 17 plus 4, 21. 21 plus 5. 21 plus 5, 26. 26 plus 6, 32. Have you got this? First thing, just you have to think whether we have to add or multiply or subtract or divide. Okay, the numbers are increasing or decreasing. Then find the difference. With the difference you can make out. Okay, we will do few more questions in the next video. You can surely understand. Thank you.